Okay, King of the Hill, 3,000 pounds, 3 mile an hour. Here we go. Farm LBN goes 191 feet. Okay, so 191 feet wasn't quite far enough. They think it's a little too tight on the sled, so they're going to take her back, rehook, and try it again. Alright, headed straight out of bounds. She gets stopped at 220 feet. On a repull. And the little CA gets stopped at 238 feet. Goes 237 feet. $202 feet for the little Alice. Again, 3,000 pounds, 3 mile an hour, King of the Hill. Ford goes 236 feet. Normal 230 just went 240 feet. I think that's got first place by 2 feet. Not official, but I think she just took the lead. Oh, he's in trouble already. He's spinning. Well, he's still coming, but he's lacking traction. And he's going to run out of traction at 193 feet. Now, fully report, 249 feet. so he's our winner. Congratulations. Okay, next class is going to be the 8 mile an hour 3,000 pound class. There's only 2 in the class. It's going to be the Oliver 66 and then little Alice Chalmers CA. Oh, then I'm up after that. Makes it 246. And the little Alice CA gets stopped at 240 feet. Good for second place out of 2 hooks. Okay, up next is 3750, 3 mile an hour, King of the Hill. And that's me. Okay, my turn. Went 217 feet. Anybody else lining up for this class, so I know there's more of them. That black WD that was sitting next to me, that's the 8 mile an hour. So yeah, I don't know who's next. A buddy of mine, he had tire problems. He had to run into Moses Lake to get new rubber on the trailer so he can make it home. I know he's in my class, but he's not back yet. Oh, looks like he's got a substitute driver. Okay, we'll go check up on Zach's 335 Moline. All right, Josh on that little Ford went 197 feet.
197.14.
So we had a hired driver, I believe Fisher, from Tennessee, I think. And Zach Peterson's Moline 335 and 213 feet. Okay, not sure what just happened.
Looks like the tractor popped out of gear at 112.62.
Oh, they just said it popped out of gear, so it popped out at 112 feet. Huh. That's terrible. Well, yeah, I guess you live and learn. Unless that's the first time that's ever happened, I don't know. Well, on to the next hook. We got Jack out of Oregon on his little Farmall C. Well, shoot, battery went dead again, I guess. But Jack on the Farmall C just went 236 feet. Just took the lead from me. Not surprised. It's a good pulling tractor. Like he parked in right in somebody else's ruts at 207 feet on the little Ford. 8 mile an hour, 3,750 pounds, king of the hill. Mr. Mark Valentine on the funky Ford. Started popping him a little bit, but he stuffed the clutch in. See how far he went. 276 feet. We have a leader. And the little Oliver 66 goes 225 feet. Again, 8 mile an hour, 3750 king of the hill. WD Alice, 241 feet. Alright, first hook, 3 mile an hour, 4,750 pounds, king of the hill. Special gets stopped at 100 or 231 feet. Okay, guy on the Massey 44, Dan, he claimed his first colored rights to re-hook. You have to take this one, whatever it is. You won't get a choice between this one and the last one. And he gets 224 feet. Stops at 246 feet. Stopped at 231 feet. 235 feet. And Oliver 77 goes 237 feet. 8 mile an hour, 4750, King of the Hill. Red Diamond, Marble 460. And he went 245 feet. Big Oliver 88 gets stopped at 209 feet. Again, this is an 8 mile an hour, 4750, King of the Hill. Got to be the sweetest running forward. Burns a little oil here and there, but this thing purrs. Funky Ford gets stopped at 203 feet. And the sprinkler's back. Trying to get me again. Kind of sneaks up on you. Alright, the Massey 101 Senior
185.09
went to 185 feet.
185.09.
She never really got up to speed. She hit 6.5 miles an hour at a best. Oh, looks like they poor communication on gear selection. Oh, tough break. Big 770 goes 234 feet with the hired driver. Meets Mr. Pete Pestick.
Lauren comes in at a 204.
So, new weight class,
204.1.
204 feet for the Cummins Swap 560 Farmall. I don't know if it's 5,000
As
or
of now, because of technical or mechanical failure,
5750.
there's only one person.
Yeah, 5750, King of the Hill. And that sprinkler got me. Hey, like we're going to 3 miles an hour. I didn't realize till he did it. He was on the high side on TA and he pulled it back when he's running out of power, and he got 199 feet. Okay, that's gonna do it for today. We're gonna clean the track up. There it goes. They'll probably put more water on it, water it again tomorrow. And tomorrow it'll be, I think, 2,500 pounds till we run out of weight classes, which might be 6,000, maybe 7,000. So until then, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.